Can you take this trade? Yes, but you need to understand that you had rising support at this 200, which proved to be the low of day, and it ended up bouncing for a lot of points. How can you take this trade? There's not a lot of space here. So going into this trade, you can't sit and wait for a break and a retest and then get down. You need to get in when we actually break through and start to fly. Because if you don't, what's going to happen is you're going to get trapped out. And like the only other thing you can do is kind of wait for a closure below the 200 SMA and then wait for the break and retest of that and then go short. So in this particular case, 25,116, and it put in a low of 25,108. Automatically, you know that your 200 SMA is sitting here at 25,108. You've only got 8 points of potential. So you can't sit there, my friends, with 1 or 2 micros and think you're going to get 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 points. It's not going to happen. Your demand is sitting 8 points down. So what can you do if you absolutely want to take that trade? Size up 5 micros, 1 mini, 2 minis, take 2 or 3 points on the first break. Make sure you have a bracket set up between 2 and 4 points. Even if you're trading 1 mini contract and you take, let's say, 3 points, you're going to make around 50 to 60 bucks. If you take 2 mini contracts, you're going to make about 100 to 120 bucks. But the key here is you got to have that hard take profit, because you trying to market in and market out is going to be too slow. If this 200 SMA was sitting 50 points below, then it's going to be not the same trade. You're going to have more time to play smaller size and hold for a bigger move. The second thing that you can do is just wait altogether.